Most people who witnessed the crucifixion ran. Nicodemus walked toward it. He appears exactly 3 times in the Gospel of John, and those 3 moments tell one of the quietest, most devastating stories in all of Scripture. The first time, he comes to Jesus at night, a powerful Pharisee, a member of the Sanhedrin. He comes in darkness because he cannot afford to be seen. The second time, he offers a cautious legal defense of Jesus before the council. He never says whose side he is on. He hides behind procedure. Then comes the third moment. The cross is already raised. The crowd has scattered. Roman soldiers still surround the site, and Nicodemus arrives carrying 75 pounds of burial spices. That is not a quiet gesture. That is a declaration. In the most dangerous hour possible, he makes himself visible. John never explains what changed inside him. No recorded conversation, no turning point named, only the weight of what he carried and where he chose to carry it.